Hello friends, welcome back to our CCNA 200-301 series. Today is day 5. Today we are going to discuss about layer 2 and layer 3 switch. So before starting switch, just let me give you example, then we will go for switch. So I bring packet tracer here. I am going to take the computer example. Let me take computer. Here I have one computer and I will take one laptop here. So if I want to connect two computer, one laptop, one computer, or two laptop like that, I need to have LAN card, right? In my PC I have one LAN card and in laptop I have one LAN card. You know LAN card, right? With LAN card we can connect the computers or internet or anything, local area network or wide area network. You know, we say LAN card. Example, if I want to connect to computer, I will take, let me show you. I am taking this cable. I am connecting this computer to this computer. Okay, so no problem. We can connect directly. If I want to connect two computer or more than one computer to the same PC, I am unable to connect, right? Let me try and show you. I am connecting this laptop and if I want to connect here, see, cable cannot connect to that port because we don't have port. We have only one LAN card. In one computer we have one LAN card. In one laptop we have one LAN card. If we have one, only we can connect one cable. So if I want to connect 100 computer to this computer, then I need to have 100 LAN card in this one. Okay, did you understand? Let me draw here. Let me show here. See here, this is my computer. Okay, this is my main computer. I want to connect 100 computer to this computer. Like this, I want to connect many computer to this computer. One LAN card is for one computer. So I need to install here maybe 100 LAN card if I want to connect 100 computer. So that is not practical and very difficult for that one. So to avoid this type of problem, we have a solution, that is switch. We use switch to overcome with these types of problem. So let me show you here. Switch. Introduction to switch. Switch is used to connect more than one device in a network. Okay. And there are two types of switch, layer 2 and layer 3 switch. What are the difference between layer 2 and layer 3 switch? We are going to discuss. So before that one, let's see what is switch. It is a data link layer device, that is layer 2 device. In our last video, we already learned OSI model. In OSI model, we learn layer 2, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3 like that. Okay. So layer 2 is nothing but data link layer. So data link layer and the device which work on the data link layer is switch. So we are saying here, it is a data link layer device, that is layer 2. And switch is intelligent device and it work on physical address, that is MAC address. Every device is having MAC address. Laptop is having MAC address, server is having MAC address. So I am saying switch is working on MAC address. It work to fix the bandwidth. And we have types of switch. Whatever types we have manageable switch and unmanageable switch. Manageable switch is nothing but we can assign the IP address, we can configure, and we have console port to the manageable switch. Whereas unmanageable switch, we don't have any console port and we cannot assign any IP address and we cannot do any configuration. Okay, so this is a manageable and unmanageable switch. So we have manageable switch and unmanageable switch. And in manageable switch, we can manage the network, and in an unmanageable switch, it is like a plug and play, no need to do any configuration or anything. Okay, and switch is also having the ports and it is also having the modes. Like we need to configure switch, we have same like router also, we have ports also like user mode, privilege mode, global configuration mode to do the configuration. Okay, then we will same here, we use user mode for basic monitoring, privilege mode for monitoring and some troubleshooting, global configuration mode for all configuration done in this mode. Okay. Then let's see multi-layer switch. A multi-layer switch is nothing but a network device that has the ability to operate a higher layer of the OSI reference model. Unlike a data link layer traditional used by the switch, a multi-layer switch can perform the function of switch as well as the router and increase the speed. So like in short, we can say a multi-layer switch can also work as a router. We have one command like IP route to enable the routing in the multi-layer switch. So we can use the multi-layer switch in two purpose. We can do like a switch, we can use as a switch as well as we can use as a router. So these are the difference between normal switch and the multi-layer switch. So let me show you in the packet tracer how both are different and what we can do. So let me open the packet tracer here. So I bring already the packet tracer here. So if you want to delete anything, we need to select this one and click here like this. So this will go out. And now how we will select the switch? We need to click here and then you need to click this and you have this all switch. We have this switch and this is a multi-layer switch, layer 3 switch, these two. And this is the normal switch. So I will take this normal switch. I will keep here. I am taking 2960 series of the switch and I am taking this is the another switch 3560. This is a multi-layer switch. So this is let's see both. We have both here. I am going to open this one and go in the CLI mode. Let me keep this here like this, and let me open the other switch also. This is a multi-layer switch. I am opening the CLI and this one also. Both look same, right? Let me maximize this both and I will move this here. Okay, so I am keeping one side by side this both window, so we can see what is the difference between this both switch. Okay, so see here, these are the also switch and this is also switch. This is normal switch, this is multi-layer switch. Okay, so I am putting enter. Let's see how it is looking, same thing. And here also if I put enter, they will ask, I will write no, and then we will see here it is also same thing. So I will do configuration. Some configuration is normal switch and some configuration is multi-layer switch. I am going to compare both. Okay, so let me go to this switch. I am going to enable, then I am here inside. Then if I write show run, it will show the configuration, whatever configuration we have, same as we done for router, same like that. And I will go here also, I will do same here also, and then I will write enable and then I will write show run. It will show the same as we have here also, same thing. Okay, so now I am going to show you other command. Like example, if I want to configure here any protocol, that is RIP or EIGRP or any routing protocol, because I told you switch, normal switch, that is layer 2 switch is a normal switch, and multi-layer, that is layer 3 switch, can work both switch as well as router. So I want to show you in the packet tracer that I can configure routing protocol in multi-layer switch and I cannot configure in normal switch. I want to show you. So how we will do? If I want to configure anything, we will write config T to go in the configuration mode. Then what we will write, example, if I want to configure router RIP, means I need to configure routing protocol RIP. We are going to come this after a few videos. We are going to learn about routing protocol. So don't worry, just remember to configure routing protocol, we are writing router. If I am going to configure the RIP, I will write routing RIP. So root RIP, here see what he is giving, it is giving error. Root RIP, it is giving error. But if I wrote here, we will get our route RIP. See, here also getting error. Okay, why I am getting error? Because I am in not global configuration mode. First I need to go to global configuration mode if I want to do any configuration. So let me go to the global configuration mode, then I will write router RIP. Okay, so see, I am getting here, what I am getting, a router RIP IP routing not enable. So when I type router RIP, it is getting IP routing is not enabled, right? Because this multi-layer switch work as switch as well as router. If I want to use as a router, I need to enable the routing inside this one. So I did not enable. So I am getting a warning that I did not enable IP routing, so it cannot be used as a router. So I need to enable, then only I can use as a router. Okay. So what I will write? IP, I will write IP routing, okay. So see, now I can configure. So I will write route rip. See, and I am here inside this route. So it is working for routing protocol. Let me enable here. Let's see we can enable or not. Okay, this is a normal switch, the layer 2 switch. It is not supporting routing. Just we are testing it is working or not. Okay. So see here I will write IP routing. See here it is saying invalid input. It is giving as a error. This is not recognized command, like that. So with this lab we prove that normal switch, that is layer 2 switch, did not support routing protocol, whereas layer 3 switch, that is multi-layer switch, support routing. Multi-layer switch as router or switch, both we can use as a multi-layer switch, whereas normal switch we can use only as a switch. Okay, did you understand or you have any doubts? So in today video we have a small video for today, that is only we are discussing about switch, types of switch, and what is normal switch, that is layer 2 switch, and layer 3 switch, comparison between them, and we are checking how it is routing protocol is working in layer 3 and it is not working in layer 2 with the help of packet tracer. So in coming video we are going to do lab also. Here I create a scenario. In next video we are going to do configuration. I will example, I will use our laptop to connect to switch and configure the switch. Then we are going to check this server we can access from here or not here. Like this we will create a scenario and we are going to do the lab in our next video. This video only for introduction of layer 2 and layer 3 switch, basic, and showing the comparison between both switch. And you got this one, right? No question about this one, or you have any question? Because this is a normal switch and this is a multi-layer switch. This switch only support switching. This switch supports switching and routing both. So we can use this switch as router also. Okay. So this is a small video. Next video we are going to do a small practical. Then we are going to look firewalls and all other topics of our CCNA. So subscribe to our channel and like our video and share with your friend whoever interested in CCNA. And if you are watching this video in Facebook, then try to like our Facebook page. And if you are watching this video in YouTube, try to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will have the next video update. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.